built a fort out in the woods in Italy. It took us like 3 hours-ish. So we used sticks for a wall in front with rocks behind the dirt. And then for the roof, we laid sticks across and then put moss and stuff on top. And then it was a ditch like this, but we dug it out, and so it's a little bit deeper. And so, yeah, we made it 100% like out of nature. Like we used like sticks to dig it out. We only used a pocket knife to like cut the roots out, but yeah. So we'll give you an update. So that's our fort. 100% nature made.